Vicky. Welcome back to Big Mama's Garden. On today, I need to work on transplanting these cucumbers into some bigger pots. So come along with me as I prepare the soil and get them ready to move into a bigger growing area. First of all, I need to work on getting my potting soil together. I'm going to mix some cow manure, black cow manure, some potting soil, a little perlite to the soil. Enrich the soil with my coffee grinds. Some bone meal and some Epsom salt. So let me get started mixing this all together. Okay, I had the container mixed up pretty good. I'm going to use these trellis here for the cucumber vines to grow up on. Push them down in the soil. Okay, I'm going to take my cucumber plants and position them into their new pot. Squeeze the bottom of the cup, take the soil out. Look at this, it has a lot of roots on it. It was ready to get into a bigger pot. Cover it up with some dirt. Push it down some. Get it to hold on to this vine, this trellis here. I think I may just put 2 in here. Okay, here's my second cucumber plant. I'm gonna into the new pot. Like it already has some sprouts on it. Look at that one. That one has a lot of roots on it too. Push it down into the soil. Cover it up with some dirt. Get it to come over here on this side of the trellis and hold on. Now let's wash them to continue to grow. Let's see those cucumbers coming. Okay, I'm getting ready to fill this pot up with soil and prepare it for the cucumbers. Y'all getting ready to go to your new home. Y'all ready? Okay, I have transplanted the cucumbers into a bigger pot form. This is y'all new home. Now grow me a lot of cucumbers. Okay, my cucumbers are growing. Look at all those beautiful leaves. All those blooms coming up. Look at here. Look at that cucumber coming up there. Got a little scarecrow in here. Making sure the pests don't come in here and eat up the cucumbers. Okay, cucumbers. Keep growing. Thanks for stopping by. If you hadn't hit that subscribe and like button, do it now so you can receive all my latest videos and updates. See you next time at Big Mama's Garden.